8th December 2022. Today we will learn the difference comparative table between DCR 3310 in 1991 provisions of DCR 1991 and the new development control regulation and promotion for Greater Bombay 2034. Now 3310 is regarding slum, and the very first provision is eligibility for slum redevelopment scheme, means who are entitled to free housing under SRA. So under 1991 DCR, the actual owner were eligible as per the census, but now the provision has changed and it provides that under 2034 only actual owner is entitled to free housing under SRA. It provides in 3310 1B, subject to foregoing provisions, only actual occupants of the hutman dweller shall be held eligible, and so-called structure owner other than the actual occupant, even if his name is shown in the electoral roll for the structure, shall have no right whatsoever to the reconstructed tenements against that structure. So the actual owner of the structure in SRA of a hutment owner, the actual owner of the hutment is entitled under the new 2034 DCPR, while in the old DCR it was the occupant, and where the catch was, the difficulties arose that who is the occupant, and the SRA schemes were withheld due to this dispute. Now it is resolved by the new DCPR. Now what is the definition of slum pavement structure of hut planning sectors and related terms? Now this is slums on railway lands, especially slums on railway lands, area under electric high powered lines, high transmission power lines, nala banks, hereafter notified or deemed to be notified, treated as Dharavi redevelopment project area, is deleted unless it is notified. So Dharavi redevelopment project area, which was part of 3310, we have already seen in our series of reels on Dharavi redevelopment project and Dharavi notified area, which is now 339B 9A. Now we will see what is composite building. Now under 2034, from the definition of composite building, words along with built up amenity if proposed in the same building. So census under 2034 shall mean those slums on the lands belonging to government, any undertaking of government or MCGM, and incorporated in the records of land owning authority as having been censused in 1976, 1980, 1985 or prior to 1st January 1995 and 1st January 2000, and from the definition of composite building, words along with built up amenity if proposed in the same building. That is definition of composite building. There is one more important change is carried out by this 2034 DCPR, that is eligibility of a person including a transferee under a scheme of slum redevelopment shall be established in accordance with Chapter 1B of Slum Act and orders issued thereunder. Now what is important is the transfer of photo passes. We know that there was a lot of manipulation regarding photo pass to get a free slum flat in SRA. So this transfer of photo pass, only the actual occupant at present will be eligible for the redevelopment. There shall be no need to regularize the transfers of photo passes that have occurred so far. A photo passes will be given after the new tenement has been occupied. So any person who owns a dwelling unit on ownership basis in MCGM area shall not be held eligible under this scheme. Any person who can be held eligible under more than one SRS shall be held eligible for only. Here we will stop whatever I could convey to all of you regarding SRA and slum notified area regarding Dharavi. I have done. It's a very deep subject and it cannot be discussed in 2-3 lines or a 90 second. So whoever is interested can buy my book, which is available online. It is in 3 volume, or you can always check with the government publications. If any further clarification required, you can always refer to my commentary. It is available on my website also, and in printed version it is also available on Amazon and all other platforms, Amazon, Flipkart, Google Play and all other Notion Press. So you can place an order. It is not printed in open market, but if you order then it will be delivered to you. So thank you very much, and we will see which subject is important next.